In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Spline, logging in, exploring tools, and using templates. Spline is a powerful browser-based space for creating interactive 3D and 2D designs. We'll move from signing in to understanding the interface to choosing the right kind of project for your goals, and finally to making the most of the built-in templates so you can get productive fast. First, sign in to Spline using either your email or your Google account. If you choose email, use an address you actively check since you may be asked to verify it. If you go with Google, the Continue with Google option will link your profile instantly. Whichever method you prefer, make sure you're on the official Spline site and that you keep your credentials secure. Once you're in, your dashboard will load and you'll be ready to create. You'll be greeted by a rich set of tools. The canvas sits at the center where your scene comes to life. A toolbar is typically on the side with basic shapes, text, and interaction tools. A properties panel lets you adjust materials, colors, lighting, and layout. Along the top, you'll find project actions and access to templates. Hover over icons to see quick tooltips and use your mouse or trackpad to pan, orbit, and zoom so you can navigate the scene comfortably. If you're ever unsure, try selecting an object and watch the properties panel update. It's a helpful way to learn what each control affects. When you're ready to begin, choose the kind of design that fits your outcome. For 3D design, start with basic shapes, then refine materials, lighting, and camera angles to give depth and realism. If you only need flat graphics or UI mockups, 2D design keeps things straightforward and lightweight. Already have assets you love? Import your own design and place it directly into the canvas. Keep file sizes reasonable for smooth performance and organize your assets so they're easy to update later. If you want a head start, open the Templates menu. Browse the categories, preview a template that matches your vision, and open it to begin customizing. Adjust colors, replace text, swap models or images, and tweak lighting to make it yours. Rename your project clearly so you can find it later, and consider duplicating a template before heavy edits so you always have a clean version to return to. Templates are also great learning tools. Click around, see how scenes are built, and borrow techniques for your own work. That's the foundation. Log in, explore the tools, pick the design path that suits your project, and lean on templates to move quickly. Have fun, experiment confidently, and build something you're proud of in Spline,